What is going on, YouTube? This is Dylan coming at you from Mellow Vapes here in Indian Land, going over another product review on a device that we just got in literally like, I want to say 3 hours ago. Been a little bit busy today, so haven't had the chance to sit down and actually take the time to look over this device. But the one in particular we're going to be going over today is by Aspire. I know a lot of you guys have either used the original Breeze, which was auto draw, or the Breeze 2, which was a button fire system that was really nice. It was an upgraded version. They also came out with the 1.0 coils when they came out with that device. And then after that, they came out with the Aspire Nautilus AIO, which the coils were interchangeable with the Nautilus Tank and the Nautilus Mini. It's the word Nautilus AIO. But today we're going to be going over Aspire's new pocket style device. This is going to be the Aspire AVP Kit. It is really nice. I love the packaging on this. It's really well put together. So props to Aspire for releasing another quality product. But open it up. You got your 2-pack of pods. These pods in particular are going to be a 1.2 ohm. It holds 2 mils of juice. Let's open up one of these bad boys. I'm going to go ahead and crack one of these open for the video. This is one of our display models, so you don't have to worry about anything. But, I mean, it's a really nice pod style system. I mean, it looks like it's quality. But here's the kicker. To fill it, you actually take, let's see if it'll focus. I think it's focused about as good as it's going to get. You take your bottle of juice and you literally put your tip right there and you push in. And when you push in, what it does is it's actually spring loaded in here, and it drops down about maybe a quarter of an inch, and then you fill your juice up. So, I mean, that's pretty cool, in my opinion. Like I said, it holds 2 mils of juice, 1.2 ohm coil. And moving on to the device, let's open up this bad boy. This is where great things happen. I pulled out the black color in particular. I do have about 3 or 4 other different colors, varying all the way from like rainbow to blue to green. I believe I even have an orange over there as well. But like all your other devices, it takes a standard micro USB cord or Android charger. Like anything else, you want to stay away from an iPhone charger block, so you want to use anything that's like a 1 amp or a 1.5, even a 1.5 amps kind of pushing it, but it should extend your life just a little bit. But I did recently just pick up little 1 amp wall chargers. They're relatively inexpensive, so if you do purchase a device from us or currently use a device that we personally recommended not to use a higher amperage charger, come by and pick one of those up if you haven't already. But this device in particular is a 700 mAh internal battery. It's got 3 different voltage settings. It's gonna be 5 clicks on. This one in particular is already on. It's on the blue setting, which is gonna be pushing right around 10 watts. 2 clicks real quick, it's gonna change it to red. Red's gonna be your lowest setting, coming in at 8 watts. And then 2 more clicks, it's gonna go to green. Green's gonna be your hardest hit, producing a whopping 12 watts. So you've got a 12 watt, a 10 watt, and an 8 watt, which green, blue, red. And it's auto draw. Your pods literally just set right down in there, and they are magnetic. And I mean, it's a pretty strong little magnet in there. But it's auto draw, so there's no button. It is gonna light up when you're hitting it. So according to the color that it's lighting up, hint, hint, red, it's gonna be anywhere from 3.5 volts to dying soon, so you need to be plugging it up and charging it. Your blue setting is gonna be anywhere from 3.5 to 3.8 volts. And then your green setting, 9 times out of 10 is good to go. So it's going to be anywhere from 3.8 volts all the way up to 4.2 volts, which is going to be a fully charged battery. But yeah, these are really small. They're kind of discreet, fit right in the palm of my hand. I mean, I know my hands are not the biggest in the world, but really small, so you could take this pretty much anywhere, get you a little small, high concentrated amount of nicotine. This is going to be perfect for all of you salt nic vapors out there. So if you're interested in getting a new salt-based setup, come on down, check out the Aspire AVP kits. I got these in stock. Come and get them while the getting's good. But hope you guys like this review. If you like, leave a comment down below, and you can like and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful afternoon, and come and see us.